Akjol Mahmudov, a young 23-year-old, and he's won at every level. We'll see if he can put himself at the top of the podium here at the Senior Worlds and make himself Kyrgyzstan's first ever world champion.
Both of them are very good in every situation. Cleanse, doesn't matter, everything, attacking parterre. I know that Sultan Levahi has a very good gas tank. He can go on for 6 minutes non-stop. Very good.
Now, Akjol's teammate, Tiny Bakova, in the women's ranks, she's been a world champion, also an Olympic silver medalist, so he wants to join her in the Greco-Roman. Kyrgyzstan has had a lot of success, but never at the top of the podium. So, like you said, you have seen Levi and do his thing. We've seen Mahmudov do his thing. Who's gonna put it together in the most important match of their life right here?
Exactly, two young guys actually.
We've seen a lot of youth in this tournament, and
really have.
The future of Greco-Roman wrestling is very bright with the amount of young wrestlers who are at a super high level.
Oy.
Backside headlock, he pinched. He took it one way and then came back the offside way, and Mahmudov of Kyrgyzstan looking for the fall here in the World Gold Finals.
Wow. It was actually Sultan who started the situation, kind of on the hook, but then he just threw.
Right. So Zoltan, and what we know about headlocks is the best time to hit it is when your opponent's pushing in. So he pinched on one side. He really slid his hands to the offside and went a way that you really aren't accustomed to from that headlock.
Yeah, but that's...
Beautiful pinch front headlock.
Look at those emotions. Wow.
The first Kyrg wrestler in the history in Greco-Roman wrestling to earn a gold medal match. Kudos to him, your world champion from Kyrgyzstan, Akjol Mahmudov.
That was just brilliant. The strength of throwing another guy, the technique under pressure, coming down in parterre, doing an attack. 4 points, 4 points.